Alright, we're gonna go upstairs, okay? I think that's good. I was on the bit of the edge of the screen, so we're gonna try and handheld record. Let's stop, cut.
I will do one really big one and we're going, yeah? Oh.
How did I realise they were recording? The camera is massive. I'm gonna take a quick photo now. That's what it looks like. I'm doing a hard one. Right, so you're probably wondering why the video's still happening. Right, so I'm going to turn these videos into more vlogs because I can't get these videos to 8 minutes, which isn't ideal. Why is the strings falling out of it? I don't know. Don't know why we're here. We're playing tennis. We're going to ask people when they walk past if they want a 1v1. Never know, give them a prize, probably give them a rock or something.
The rock, Dwayne Johnson.
Johnson? It's a bit dodgy, I'm recording with one hand. I was playing tennis. That counts. I'm zoomed in. Alright, so basically, nothing really happened. Don't know why I'm holding my bag like this, but I am. Right, so see you in a minute.
What pizza do you want?
What pizza do I want?
Yes, why are you recording your face?
I probably want a margarita, please. Right, my bad. Right, I'll see you in a sec.
Oh my god!
Woo! How's this tap work? Big one.
I could hear you go, keep it coming.
So that's $9.66.
That's close to our budget, James. We've got 2 margaritas and some dough balls ready and steady for the wonderful night, okay? About to munch. Yeah. Wait, she was looking at it.
She looked you down.
Right, I'm gonna roll down this hill.
Wait, what video are we actually putting on?
I think there's still people playing golf. I'll put my camera down there. There it is. To roll down the hill. What is James doing down there? lurking in the trees. He's on the phone. I don't want him. That's a bad idea. I'm not even at the bottom of the hill. Where am I?
Bye.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I didn't do anything.
For God's sake.
Look it. Look at you.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Why are you recording the grass?
I'm just taking the camera.
See ya. What?
I'm gonna fall over. Oh my God. I'm not ready.
Go. Right. So guys,
What's happening today?
we're vlogging. What are we vlogging? A video. So, George, you could probably see in the blur at the back.
What is he doing?
Yeah. And I'm here, right, in this grass. Because I like grass. And yeah, it's quite cool. George is now in the vlog. George, say hi to the vlog.
James, what are you doing?
What? I'm just.
Why are you vlogging? Alright, so I'm cleaning Mum's car, okay? So we're going to the shop right now to get some little things to clean it. Anyway, see you in a minute. That good?
Yeah, you could do with something bigger, but you've got to think about your budget.
Yeah. Oh! Alright, so we've got these as well. Look at that. Right then. My neighbours think I'm a murderer. I'm getting ready. We'll just walk past. This is quite a fun bit actually. Oh my God, there's a rainbow there. Oh my God, it's so fast. Right, it's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Gonna do more like this. Alright, do like and subscribe. Later, okay.